All right, guys. This is our Black Beauty shipping container home. It's only $69,000. Let me show you what you get with this home for $69,000. Okay, this is an 8-foot by 40-foot with 9-foot walls, fully turnkey, move-in ready shipping container home. It's gonna get a little loud because I'm right here by the road, so I'm gonna try to talk as loud as I can. This is truly made out of a shipping container, so you can see it here how they got the shipping container welded shut on this side. This is actually where the bathroom is at, so when I go inside you'll see that's where the bathroom's at. This is the one we call the Black Beauty. So I'm gonna walk around it real quick, then I'm gonna take you inside and show you what it looks like on the inside. Got some good sized windows here. Again, this is a shipping container home, fully turnkey, move-in ready. On this side, you got your Mr. Cool heating and cooling units, which is included. You got your 200 amp electrical panel. You got your little electrical outlet there. Again, this thing is already plug and play, ready to go, guys. On the back side of it here, you can see you got the vent pipes coming out the top. And you got some windows there. Let me walk around it again and then we'll go inside. So this is what the back side of it looks like. I already showed you the front, so now we'll go inside and show you what the inside looks like. Again, this is the side here where you can really see, obviously this used to be a shipping container that has now been modified to be a full-blown move-in ready home. Again, 8-foot by 40-foot means this sucker's 320 square feet of livable space. Super cool shipping container home. A lot of you guys, we see these all over the internet, but it's rare that you get to see people actually walking through them, and it's really cool to have this one on my lot. It's been one of my best-selling models. I was real hesitant whenever we first started selling them to have shipping container homes, because obviously, as you can see, we do cabins here, but this one has been surprisingly very popular. Okay, let's go inside here. Enough with my yapping. Let's go inside here. So when you walk inside of it, the first thing you see is your little kitchenette area. Okay, so you got a 4-burner induction stove. This is perfect for someone that's not really like into cooking, you know what I'm saying? But let's say you are into cooking, right? What we would do is just replace that section there with a full-blown range with, you know, 4-burner stove, oven, and everything. So don't even sweat on that. If you're big on cooking, we can replace that 4-burner induction stove and just put your regular stove over there. Good sized counter there. Here's your little sink. Okay. Again, look out your window. You got like a little living room here. Over here, you got your refrigerator, microwave. There's your front door. You got your little Mr. Cool thermostat to control your heating and cooling. You got your light switches. Behind these walls, it's already got insulation in it. We can do either the fiberglass or the spray foam. This one's got the spray foam in it. Again, you got your sliding barn doors here for privacy that goes into your bathroom. So let me show you what that looks like when it's closed. So that's what it looks like when it's closed. So you're handling your business in the bathroom, you close it up. When you're done, it slides right open. And you'll notice on the other side where the bedroom's at, we got a slider over there as well. So we'll go there next. When you walk in the bathroom, one of the things that caught my attention, obviously you got some natural light with the windows, but one of the things that caught my attention right off the bat was how much space you got here around the toilet, right? So you got your LED lights. So around the toilet, look how much space you got. So you could literally, if you wanted to, put a tub over here where the shower's at. There's enough room to easily, if you don't want a walk-in shower, you want a tub, as you can see, all kinds of space there to where we can change this out, put you a tub here if you don't want just a stand-up shower. So keep that in mind. That's another upgrade when we sell these. A lot of people rather have a tub or maybe even a larger walk-in shower than this one here. Well, you got the space for it, obviously, because look how much space you got around the toilet. Okay. Again, you got your sink here. Couple towels hanging up just to kind of showcase it for you. Again, this is what there's your light switches. Again, this is what it looks like when you got your sliders closed from inside the bathroom. So you're handling your business and you got privacy, okay? Again, you got your little shower here, vent, and that's what that looks like, okay? So let's keep it moving. Open it up. Again, to my left is your front door. To the right here is your kitchenette area, refrigerator, microwave, stove. Again, we can replace that electric 4-burner stove with a full range right there if you'd rather prefer that. Nice counter space, thermostat, and then, like I said, a little living room over here. Again, notice that these two windows, this one here and this one here, allows all kinds of natural light to come in, along with the glass on the front door. So between the glass on the front door, the one in the bathroom, the window there, and these two, as you can see, it's very light and very airy inside the shipping container home. In fact, inside of this home, you would have never known from the outside looking in that this was a shipping container home. You know what I'm saying? There's your electrical outlets, beautiful LVP floors. And again, you see the theme with the sliding barn door, right? So close it up, you got privacy in the bedroom. Okay, and then when you're ready, you want to leave it open for the day, slide it open, and there you go. Now, again, huge window. There's your light switch. Huge window here in the bedroom. Straight ahead, you can see your mini split for heating and cooling, which is also included. This is a queen size bed for reference. So I would say either a queen or a full is the perfect size bed for this. Obviously, a king would be too big because remember, this is an 8-foot by 40-foot shipping container, right? So, you know, queen is really kind of perfect for this. Underneath this cabinet here, well, before we do that, look, you got your remote control here. That's for your mini split, okay? And then underneath this, you got those 2-in-1 washer and dryers that go right over here, right underneath this cabinet. And inside the cabinet is your on-demand tankless water heater, okay? So you got instant hot water. Now remember, again, behind these walls is already fully insulated and with spray foam. Again, the spray foam is an upgrade. Typically, it does come with the fiberglass insulation, but if you live in a colder area, you can always upgrade to the spray foam. So again, this is our $69,900 shipping container home called the Black Beauty. Very, very popular. The people that usually buy this one, we get a lot of people doing Airbnbs with this. Because remember, this is one of those unique stay propositions. People, when they do Airbnb, they want to stay in structures that you don't get to stay in every day. And definitely, I would say a shipping container home is one of those structures that you just don't see every day. You just can't stay in it anytime you want. It's a very unique experience to stay in a shipping container home. So we sell these to a lot of like campgrounds and people doing Airbnbs and wanting unique real estate asset pieces to rent out to their clientele. A shipping container is very popular for Airbnb. We also have a lot of people who will purchase these and then just put them out in the woods somewhere, right? You want something solid. Maybe you live in a place with a lot of bears. I've sold one recently to a guy out in Colorado. Is where he was at. He said he had some bears and some wolves or something, some wild animals. And he said, you know what? Put a metal door on that thing and, you know, make the windows up. We made his windows up a little higher and smaller. And obviously it's a steel structure, right? So ain't no bears breaking in this thing right here. As long as the door's secure, this is a steel home made out of metal shipping container. So you ain't getting through these walls. A bear ain't gonna get through this, okay? So that's why he said he was getting one of these. And actually, I've just recently talked to him again, and he's planning on getting a second one to actually rent that one out as an Airbnb. So again, people get these for all different kinds of reasons, but Airbnb rentals, you know, or maybe you're just a young couple just starting out, right? And you're just looking for something, you got some cheap land somewhere and you're looking for something to throw on your land real quick that's affordable, that you can move in right away. And maybe you don't want a mobile home. Maybe you don't want a manufactured home. You want something a little bit more unique, right?